Srimati Renuka Chaudhary.
While Ayush, there is Mr. Kalita is sitting there. He was the one who had actually, the Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare had submitted a report asking for a review of the National Ayush Mission because it was discovered that there are lots of content of heavy metals in the manufacturing of these drugs. Now, this needs to be reviewed immediately, sir, because it is of urgent importance that people, and particularly when this goes into tribal areas, this kind of medication, there are certain genetic pools which cannot tolerate even oral iron, which we give generally across the board. Like the Sindhi community cannot ingest oral iron. Like that in tribal genetics, we have certain population which is intolerant of such things, and it amounts to toxicity of the system. Now, the government should immediately set up a review of all this as recommended by the Standing Parliamentary Committee, and the report was submitted. Nothing has been done. The second, different part, no, it's not. The second part of the same question is, there are amazing developments in the field of medicine today. It's quite Star Trek. And we have no umbrella under which this medicine is recognized, neither under allopathy nor under Ayush. These are new age medicine that is happening and development is going on.
कृपया प्रश्न पूछे.
अरे मैं तो पूरा ही नहीं कर रही आपको कुछ.
तो प्रश्न तो पूछिए.
हाँ, यही मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि will you have a review of that to ensure that we inculcate the new age technologies and the new age medicines which are, for example, I'm just telling you, sir, for the knowledge of this house, diabetic wounds, we are the capital of diabetes in the world. For diabetic wound healing, ozone therapy, which is cheap, does remarkable recoveries, but it's not recognized under any of our acknowledged sciences. So will the government take leave out of that and do something about it?